I'm Chief Adebola Dosunmu Akinsiku of Lagos. There is a process in seeing Adebola play in Lagos, mainly on the island, Lagos Island only. And the process takes some time for Adebola to come out in your day. And Adebola is only seen on that day. It's not seen anywhere. You cannot see Adebola any other place except from the day of Eyo. And the process takes some time for it to happen. And you can't see Adebola in a party or any other places. You cannot. Because you see, people get it twisted. You want to shoot a movie, you want to, have a wedding, you want to do all kind of stuff. You being a Lagosian doesn't mean you can just come up and bring out Eyo. Eyo is not meant for that. It's not meant for movie shooting, it's not meant for parties. Eyo, we only take Eyo for the disease. Somebody, like Oba that has, passed on, chiefs, people that have done so well for Lagos, the Lagosian that have done so well. That's when that's when you see Eyo. When we, the arrangement, the process, everything for that day to come on, that's when you see Eyo. You see, we've seen a lot of things, people doing, having wedding, naming ceremony. The next thing you see Eyo coming out. It's a taboo. It's a taboo. They might not know now. They might think, oh, we are doing something. We are from Lagos. We can do Eyo. We can, bring out Eyo. No, it's totally wrong. It's a taboo, and it has a repercussion. People, I'm going to use this platform, to educate our people about Eyo, the Adebola play in Lagos. People have to be very careful. Eyo is not something you play with. It's not something you can just say, I want to perform Eyo, let me just go and bring Eyo out. No, it's a process. We have a lot of things that are, a lot of things have to come up before you see that white thing called Eyo. So I'm going to use this platform to advise our people, please, desist from all this kind of using Eyo for movies, for parties, for stuff. No. And there are people that have done that, we're coming for you people. Government does not have the capacity to give you an authority to perform Eyo without consulting the owners of this heritage, this Adebola place. It's ours. We own it. So the government have to come, you have to go and meet these people, these families, Olorogun and Igbeshotu family before you can do this. So government cannot just say, oh, we give you authority, go and do it. No. This is Lagos culture. This is Lagos heritage. And we're not going to sit down and let any movie producer or anybody just say, okay, we want to shoot movie, we can use Eyo just like that. No, it's not going to happen. Government does not have the power to host Eyo without consulting us. We are the original owner. So if government wants to have anything done with it, government have to come to the family that, okay, we want this, then contact the Oba of Lagos, which is our father, the Oba of Lagos. Okay, we want to do this, we want to do that. We have a lot of process, a lot of things to do before any Eyo can be staged in Lagos. Nobody have ever come to us, maybe all these movie producers or whatever, that are okay, we want to, use Eyo in the movie or stuff like that. No, Eyo is not meant for movie. It's not something you play with. These people just don't understand. And okay, you want to do something, you have to say, okay, this Eyo is for the Lagosians, let's find out who are the real owners of these things. Let's see them. Okay, we want to have a movie. This is our movie scene. This is our movie, script, whatever. Okay, okay, you can't do this, you can't do this, you can't do this. This is what you can do. But none of the such. You just believe you can just go and stay there, you're in a movie and you go scot-free like that. No, it doesn't work that way. You see, some people called me relating to this that so they have a movie, you're inside the movie, blah 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 blah. That the movie is coming out. And I told them, it's not meant for this kind of movies or whatever. We don't use Ayo for movies. And they said some people just called me that, oh, in the movie they saw your brother with a gun and kill somebody. No, Ayo is not meant for that. Ayo doesn't kill. That's our heritage. No, Ayo doesn't kill. On the day of Ayo, you see all different kinds of palaces that will come out with their Ayo. They will dance, they hold their stage, they pray, all those kind of stuff. But you going all about portraying our culture as bad, like Ayo is killing somebody, Ayo brought out a gun and kill, all those kind of rubbish. No, we won't take it. Lagosians are not happy with that movie, and we're not going to take it, and it's unacceptable for our tradition, for our heritage. Not in a movie. We have three types of Ayo. We have Ayo Son, Ayo Oru, and Ayo Gbogbo. Ayo Oru is the one we stay in the night. People that don't have enough money to do the general ones, they can do Ayo Oru. And there is a process. There is a lot of things, that will come before that. I'm not allowed to say that on the camera. Ayo Gbogbo mean the general one. At least that will take us like 3 months for the preparation. So somebody will just go and bring the filler and put everything on and just say, I'm doing Ayo. No, it's a taboo. It might not be today, it might not be tomorrow. If anything happens, you carry your cross. So the Ayo, the afternoon one, like the one we had in 1987, when Ayo Dumota, when they opened the Dumota Cenotaph, few Ayo, the ones that will come out is only the Ayo Orishas, which is Ayo Adimu, Ayo Alaketepupa, Ayo Niko, Ologede, and Agere. Maybe they will have like 20, 30, 30, they will come out without no Orisha. Then the other one we had in 1992 at Onikon, or 91 or so, in Onikon, mainly 5 Ayo Orishas. During who was the governor then? We had that one. And we had another one during Obasanjo when Ashwaju was the governor of Lagos State. So when Obasanjo, the president, wanted to visit Lagos, they had another one at the National Stadium. Those are the ones. And they will not just say, okay, we want to have Ayo, let's go and do it. No, they have to come to our Adamu Orisha and Oba of Lagos for the process. Okay, how do we go about this? How do we go about this? Okay, this is what we're going to do. This is this. Then everything will be perfect. Not like all this rubbish they are doing. Putting Ayo in a movie, or you're killing somebody, all this nonsense. No. We are going to do that. This one, we are going to do it. And we are taking it up. We are not taking it lightly at all. It's going to be a very, very rough journey for them. I'm going to use this platform. Ayo Festival, Adamu Orisha play in Lagos. It's not meant for party. I said it earlier. It's not meant for movies. Ayo is a Lagos culture. It's a Lagos heritage. It's our heritage. Please, I'm begging. Do not use Ayo for anything apart from the day that we take Ayo to come out. Ayo is not meant for marriages. It's not meant for weddings, naming ceremony, housewarming. You can't say because you're from Lagos, you're a Lagosian, you are entitled to bring Ayo out on your own. No, please desist from this. There are families that own this Ayo. If you know you have, okay, I'm a Lagosian, my grandfather, my grandmother have done so well for Lagos. I want to stage a year on his or her behalf. You come to the right place. It's either you go to the Oba of Lagos or you come to Adebola Orisha in Isaleko. You meet with the people, the owner. Talk to them. I want to do this. I want to stage your maybe the full one, maybe the midnight one. Then we go with the process. But you deciding on yourself that I'm a Lagosian, I can just arrange few people and say, oh, okay, bring your house. Please, it's not allowed and it is unacceptable to we, the owners of Eyo. To the government, please, if you see anybody or whatever, they come to you, oh, we want to have something to do, Eyo, whatever, you know the right place to go. The government know the right place. They know there is Oba of Lagos, there is Adebola Akinsiku is there. I'm the arrowhead of Adebola Orisha. And my door is open. So they contact me, oh, okay, this is what they want to do. Oh no, they can't do this, they can't do this. We iron it out. And let them know this you can't, this you could, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So I believe it's not today. At least if we want to have your government is involved, we get, apart from our own, permission or whatever, we still get permission from the government. Okay, this is the day we're having a year. Okay, the security, the logistics and everything, that the government will provide. So government they know what time it is and they know what to do.